Okay, it's not quite 6:30, April the 17th. I'm down here at Paducah on the 6th Street ramp. We're going to see if we can reproduce our dragging with skipjack this morning, so try to catch some big blues.
If you ever go back for skipjacks, using a spoon for a weight on the back,
Yeah,
all
bottom.
huge.
Further. All right, I guess we'll start right here at Livingston Point. I was out a little bit. All right, so I guess what we'll do is drag two down down the middle and put a board on to get one a little wider.
Sometimes I leave it in the truck. This is a spot not many people know about. We're probably a little close to that
Yeah.
buoy because there's tentacles that pull you.
Yeah, you cast it out and then put it on. You want to make sure you've got it deep enough. And I'm not going to put it real wide. Mainly wide enough to keep it away from this one.
If I go,
See what happens to this board and
go
that
high a couple times.
surfing wave coming.
See, I have a runner's watch Jolie gave me. I don't trust the heart rate all the time if it's not touching. If it's not making good contact, it'll jump around. I can tell just by the few times I have good contact and the treadmill, I can tell what my heart rates are, what they feel like.
Oh, you got a fish on. Look at it running. Great. You see how it went to the inside?
Get my rod. It's something right.
Yeah.
Oh, the current is from the boat.
Yeah.
You get a little extra fight.
No. I still don't like the way that thing's looking. Oh, it popped like it's supposed to. Good. Not a bad first fish. That's what, 12, 15? I'd go with 12, but it's your fish.
I'm not weighing them. We'll get a 30, so it won't matter. That one day when it's getting almost teeth marks.
Mm-hmm. I got a bite on one of them, which this one out here is getting a bite.
All right, there it goes.
Yeah, I got him.
Did he get off?
He got off. Either that or he's swimming towards the boat. Yeah, I think he's swimming to the boat.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what he was doing.
Oh, that means I gotta get the net. Do all this
I'm
extra
not sure
work.
how big he is. He feels pretty small.
Oh,
See, that clip didn't pop loose. The fish wasn't big enough to pop it. Oh, you feel him dragging. Oh, he got in that loop somehow. There, I got it. That's why it's better to let it, if it'll go down to the bottom, you don't have to deal with that. It feels a little better now that I've got that off. Still not a monster by any means. Didn't pull
going
any
with under 10
drag.
pounds.
Yeah, I am too. Like a lot under 10 pounds, maybe under 5. We'll see. Yeah, he's got to be 5.
I'm thinking your hook has more ought to it than your fish has pounds.
Yeah. Now he's feeling a little bigger. There he is. Maybe a 5.
A massive school of carp have seemed to have left.
All right. I'd give him 5 pounds. So far, it's been the boards. Oh, you got one on? I'll get it. On the board again.
Yeah. Oh, you're handing it to me. Nice guy.
Yeah.
Not very big, but he's a fish.
Huh?
I don't feel him now.
No, he may just have. He's not big enough to pop the board.
He's still on. Oh yeah.
A little better fish. A little than mine. Not like your other one.
I like 17 pounds like my other one.
Yeah.
12.5 again?
Yeah. Yeah, my bait's good. Not a drag puller, but bigger than my first one. He's kind of swimming to the boat right now. Pretty nice of him.
Dragged him up in a 20-foot flat.
What's going on here? That one should be straightening out, and it's not. It may have slipped off the... Yeah, something's not right. Oh, look at the wrong pole. Did I get hung? There it goes. Either that or I've got a fish on that one.
Yeah, I'd say you got the lines are they tangled?
No.
You got the fish then.
Yeah, he'll have to wait.
Nowhere.
Yeah, right by that big tree. Set him down there and I'll get this one in. Oh, he's not on. He let go. Big male. I'd say he's 18, 20.
It's a length. It's between 20 and 21. Let's see.
Call it 20. We were 1.5, but just didn't feel like it.
You got, watch, number 3. Number 3's gone down big time.
It's a fish. Not a drag puller, but bigger than the first one. It's kind of swimming to the boat right there.
Dragged him up in a 20-foot flat.
Say that's about a 10, 12.
It's more than 10, probably 12. See who wants to do stuff. Is it hung?
No?
Okay.
Check it.
He's got to double his hive production. But he said farmer runoff will kill it. Just totally wipe your hives out. When they spray their fields,
Yeah.
they put a herbicide on it. I mean, not herbicide, a pesticide.
This is a fish.
Good.
It's not a big one, but it's a fish. I felt him roll. I think my board's popped maybe, and that's why it's acting like it is.
Well, I'll get up. I'll get the net. You get pretty complacent when. Okay. Got a 2-pounder.
Wow, you got a fish on there. Look at that. Good deal.
Did Hal take the tractor to your dad's?
Yeah, it's over there. Right, I was there yesterday.
Because when I was doing tomatoes, I wanted to find some of the stuff. I didn't see it up here. I didn't see the trailer.
I don't know why it's over there. I guess he's doing food
He does
plots.
food plots,
Yeah.
I think he just likes hunting there instead of his backyard. He goes to his backyard. But opening day of turkey season, your place and his place are pretty hard to beat.
Oh, the board didn't come off, so we got a minute.
Okay.
Here, I'll get the board. Probably doesn't need the net, but
Sub less than 10. It was kind of in the root for the mouth. It wasn't in the gut.
so it's getting close to 11. We're going to call it. We caught. We'll catch 8.
Sounds about right.
8 or 9 blues. None of them huge. One of them 20 pounds. So still, we had a cold front that went through last night, and that may have shut them up a little bit. But overall, not a bad trip.